Oil-based seaweed snacks. Yeah, puppy, you like seaweed, right? Because you ate the spicy wasabi one once. But here we go. Alright, let me take a bite first and make it smaller. Oh, these are very good. Mixed for a tasty treat. Seaweed snacks, yeah. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, seaweed is good for you. Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Oh, that's pretty good. Hold on, let me take a bite out of it. Oh. There you go. Good girl. It's great. Yeah, this stuff comes in many different flavors. She kind of likes this one too. But yeah, that's why my dog is Asian. Here we go. Seaweed. Alright, that's enough for you. I don't want to have you eating too much. Right, puppy? Right? Good girl. Yeah.